Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make eye-catching labels for products or gifts in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And the next thing I'm going to walk you through the process of creating or starting your design process in Canva. The first way to create your design is to create a design from scratch. And how do you do that? Click on this create a design button in the top right corner of your screen, or the second way to go about that is to click on the search bar. So in the search bar, go ahead to describe your design. And after describing your design, it's going to take you to a world of templates that you can choose from. All right. These templates are going to facilitate your creative processes. So in this case, based on today's tutorial, all we need to do is to type labels for products. Okay, secret word. You have to be very sincere with Canva for you to get exactly what you want. So ta-da, this is the wide array of templates I'm talking about. But then to bust your bubbles, I would like you to know that not all the designs are free, because most of the designs are labeled pro, meaning you have to upgrade your plan here before you can access them. But some of them are free, which means they do not have the label in them. So here's one that is free and fine. So we're going to look for what is free and what is fine. This is with design that is free, okay? So you can just click on that and click on customize this template. Awesome. So it takes you here. Now I'm going to show you how you can tweak all of these words to what suits you, and we're good to go, okay? So click on this coconut oil and then double click, and let's say we want click out. So I'm clicking on that to increase the font size. So 14 doesn't work, so 16. Yeah, perfect. Best product, you can double click it and okay. 40 ml, you can double click it, change or not. Moisturize your skin regularly. Skin glow. I'm gonna increase the font to 8, too large. I think that's too large too, so let's do 5. Okay, so this apple has to change. Head over to the left corner, click on elements, and oh, that's coconut, but I changed to apple. So in the elements, I'm going to just type apple, and I'm going to click on see all. So I'm going to get something like this. Okay, so this is apple. So I'm going to click on here and click on delete, and then move my apple, drag and drop. What am I holding? Using one finger to click on my mouse pad and one finger the left button of my mouse. So I'm going to hold down on that left corner of my mouse and bring this down to fit the size. All right. So the next thing that I'd like us to do is to change the color of the background. So I should click on that thing that has that color, and then click on color and change it. I think I like this more. That's it for me. I don't want this stars. So click on it and delete. click on this that has this white thingy. And so you can drag and drop elements by clicking on the elements, drag, drop to change the position of the elements. So once you're done, we can definitely print this and put it on the product, and we're good to go. So click on share and head over here, click on downloads, choose your download settings, and save this beautiful piece of art in your systems folder. Now you can repeat the same process for gift items as well. And you're good to go. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be fine. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.